Well, big girl. I'm filming on video. Let me see. Wow. Hold on, wait, let me get a good shot. Oh, there it is. It's gone.
I'm liking it too.
Wow.
I should try to whistle.
Try to whistle. Well, hold on, let it rinse first. Good job. It might bleed a little bit tonight too, but it won't be very much, and it's not a very big deal. Okay, it's okay. That's normal for it to do that. You can use that towel right there next to you. It's clean. That's probably enough gargling. Good job, Ashley. Oh, Emily too. Okay. Ashley, yay!
Try a whistle. Try a whistle.
Good.
I can't do it.
Okay.
Can't whistle?
Oh, sorry, Emily. Wow. My big girl lost her first tooth. Yay, I'm so excited for you. Does Daddy have your tooth?
Yeah.
Let's go look at it again.
Tomorrow.
Wow, there it is. Ashley's first tooth. So exciting.
Pretty cool, Ashley.
Okay, well, I'm going to change it to picture mode.